Next topic is market segmentation. These are the basic fundamental concepts which are there in module number 1. And these are the fundamentals or pillars of marketing. On the basis of that, you go for marketing mix. Now, in the words of William Stenstone, he defines market segmentation is a process of dividing. Now, please concentrate, everyone. Market segmentation is the process of dividing the total heterogeneous market for a product into several sub markets. First of all, it is a process of dividing the total heterogeneous market for a product into several sub markets or segments, each of which tends to be homogeneous in all significant aspects. This is the definition. Market segmentation is एक और definition which has been given by Philip Kotler that we are going to discuss later on. First of all, it says that market segmentation as a process of dividing the total heterogeneous market for a product into several sub-markets or segments, each of which tends to be homogeneous in all significant aspects. For example, we all are aware about the market. Okay? As already yesterday or in the previous lectures, I said that the term market was prevailing for years and years, but in the dictionary. But the term marketing was not prevailing up to 1900. In 1910, you must have find this term in the dictionary which they have included. The term is marketing. Now, segmentation is what? Now, what is the segmentation? Segmentation is what? Dividing, or you can say that segregating. Okay? Just for example, we are having the total market. Now you are dividing on the basis of, for example, you are dividing on the basis of region. You are dividing on the basis of demographic, geographic, sociographic. Different bases of segmentations are there. For example, our country. So the company, they will divide our country, and from the marketing point of view, they will divide it, they will segment the market on the basis of region, north, south, east, west, because you will find the northern people. Okay? Once again, so market segmentation is the process of dividing the total heterogeneous market, the whole nation. Different types of people are there, different types of communities are there, different types of languages are spoken, different customs. I hope you are getting the point. So on the basis of, for example, on the basis of region, north, so north means what? Each of which tend to be homogeneous in all significant aspects. Those people who are living in northern area, to some extent, irrespective of their religion, they all will be sharing and having a similarity. For example, in terms of food, take an example of northern people. They prefer what? Roti, wheat. In respect to what? Rice. Southern people, they prefer what? I hope you get the point. Extreme end दोनों में. The southern people, उनकी रोटी भी चावल की रहेगी. Yes, everyone. Southern people का रोटी भी चावल का. Everywhere you will find the in a nutshell. So there is a difference. In languages, there is the difference in customs, habits, traditions, and many more aspects. So market segmentation is the process of dividing the total heterogeneous market. So for example, this is what two cases. This is what a total heterogeneous market. Now you divide it on the basis of, for example, region. This is what heterogeneous market. This is what homogeneous. Similarity. For example, northern area, north, south, east and west. So these people, they will share a common, for example, language. On this type, on this part, Kashmiri, Punjabi. यहाँ साउथ के अंदर तमिल, तेलुगु, कन्नड़. लैंग्वेज पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, ट्रेडिशन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, हैबिट्स पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू. सो दिस इज अ टोटल. तो मार्केट सेगमेंटेशन में आप क्या करते हो? इट इज अ प्रोसेस ऑफ डिवाइडिंग द टोटल हेट्रोजीनियस मार्केट. तो टोटल हेट्रोजीनियस मार्केट है, डिफरेंसेस है, उनको आप सेग्रीगेट करते हो, उनको आप सेगमेंट करते हो, उनको आप डिवाइड करते हो into homogeneous unit, each of which tends to be homogeneous in all significant aspect. I hope you are getting the point. जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल अभी हमने लिया ईस्ट साइड में वेस्ट बंगाल. वेस्ट बंगाल मीन्स व्हाट? स्वीट्स, रसगुल्ला. यस एवरीवन, स्वीट पार्ट देयर. तो उनके टेस्ट के अंदर, खाने के अंदर, कस्टम्स के अंदर, एवरीवेयर विल फाइंड देयर. यहां पर आओगे आप वेस्ट साइड में, समोसा, वड़ा पाव नहीं, वड़ा पाव इधर, समोसा इज देयर, और खमन. अरे गुजरात है आपका, फिर वो राजस्थान वाला एरिया है. कचोरी इज देयर. आई होप यू आर गेटिंग द पॉइंट. थोड़ा खाने से बाहर आएंगे थोड़ा हम लोग. तो market segmentation is the process of dividing the total heterogeneous market for a product into several sub markets or segments, each of which tends to be homogeneous. Any doubt in the definition? एक और definition है which has been given by Philip Kotler. क्या है बेटा? रीड करो, रीड अलाउड.
Philip Kotler defines market segmentation is the process of identifying groups of buyers with different desires or requirements.
Philip Kotler says, yes, market segmentation is, ये भी होता है, is a process of what? Yes, is a process of, listen, identifying groups of buyer, huh? With different desires or requirements. Or now Philip Kotler says market segmentation is a process. देखो दोनों process बोल रहे हैं. And some ways are there on the basis of which you are segmenting the market. So we are not there into the process, we are there into the definition part, meaning part. So is a process of identifying group of buyers with different desires or requirements. For example, I hope definition में है, identifying different buyers with different desires or requirements. Take an example of Tata Nano, Tata Jaguar. Take an example of, please pronounce this properly, pronounce it properly. Niche market. What, my dear? Yes, for example, in one of our station is what? Sandhurst Road. It is what, my dear? Sandhurst Road. Not that which you are laughing and smiling. Okay? So what is niche market? Guys, niche market is what? Manish market. No. What is niche market? For example, in car segment, the niche market will be what? बोलो. कार सेगमेंट के अंदर नीश मार्केट विल बी दिस कार. और कौन सी गाड़ी है? गुगाटी या बुगाटी? आई होप. फॉर एग्जाम्पल पेन सेगमेंट में क्या नाम है इसका? आगे मॉन्ट ब्लैंक पेन. मॉन्ट ब्लैंक नीश मार्केट. लेक्स. हाँ भाई पहली बार नहीं, पुराना हो गया माया. समझ रहे हो? अबे 3 वाली नहीं है, 3 लाख 30 लाख वाली पेन है वो. लैक्स ऑफ रुपीज. अरे समझ रहे हो? नीश मार्केट. एनी डाउट इन द डेफिनेशन? Now what are the benefits of market segmentation? Now tell me. Yes बेटा, एक पॉइंट बोलो. one by one जल्दी जल्दी. Market opportunities. Point number 1 is what? Market opportunity. और second point? Product development, promotional mix और प्राइसिंग और हाँ ठीक है. वेरी गुड. हाँ बस 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 बस. मार्केट डेवलपमेंट, द बेनिफिट्स, एडवांटेज, merits of market segmentation. If you are doing the market segmentation, you will get the benefit in the form of what? In the form of you can concentrate. ठीक है? What type of market you are focusing? है जैसे for example, iPhone, they are different types of customers. They are different. They are having a different type of market. OnePlus, they are having different types of customers. Rolls-Royce car, they are having a different range on or types of customers. Even though if you ask and if you go for buying it, भाई मुझे चाहिए, they will check out your history and geography. हाँ yes, it's a fact. They will check out, okay, you are a करोड़पति फर्स्ट जनरेशन और पांच जनरेशन वाला है. ये जनरेशन है, सॉरी सर, that is their requirement. So if you are able to fulfill their requirements, you'll get, otherwise sorry. Are you getting everyone? So this is what market opportunity. They will find out the market opportunities on the basis of what? Market segmentation. They can explore the market. Yeah, for example, take an example of Tata is there, Tata Nano and others. Now there they will explore the market. For example, श्रीलंका, नेपाल, ठीक है, बांग्लादेश बहुत आगे चले गए बेटा. वी आर फार अवे, ठीक है, फ्रॉम द नेबरिंग, स्पेशली द बांग्लादेश कंट्री एंड ऑल्सो दीज अदर्स वन. सो मार्केट अपॉर्चुनिटीज, प्रोडक्ट डेवलपमेंट. नाउ व्हाट इज प्रोडक्ट डेवलपमेंट? डेवलपिंग द प्रोडक्ट अकॉर्डिंग टू दियर कस्टमर्स रिक्वायरमेंट. ठीक है, साउथ वाला है, नॉर्थ वाला है, ईस्ट और वेस्ट वाला है. जो आसियान नेशंस, सार्क नेशंस, नाफ्ता नेशंस और नाफ्ता ब्लॉक, डू यू रिमेंबर दैट? सो नाफ्ता दे आर हैविंग अ डिफरेंट रिक्वायरमेंट्स. नाफ्ता में कौन कौन सी कंट्री आती है? यूएस, कनाडा एंड मैक्सिको. यूरोपियन यूनियन, यूरोपियन नेशंस, आपका सार्क नेशंस. सार्क मीन्स व्हाट? साउथ एशियन एसोसिएशन ऑफ रीजनल कोऑपरेशन. आप यहां जाओगे, साउथ ईस्ट में जाओगे, मलेशिया, थाईलैंड, फिलीपाइंस, इंडोनेशिया, कंबोडिया और वो पूरा ब्लॉक. तो यू विल फाइंड देयर रिक्वायरमेंट्स डिफरेंट. So the product which you are developing for them, you will keep the region in mind, you will keep the customs in mind, you will keep the taste and preferences and habits in mind, then you go for product development. So it helps, market segmentation will help in developing the product. For example, you want to manufacture a bag. What, my dear? Now the question arises, you want to manufacture for whom? Very good. For kg or for pg? ट्रेवलिंग बैग गांव वाला क्या एयरलाइंस वाला? अरे गेट इट? तो एयरलाइंस वाला रिक्वायरमेंट इज टोटली डिफरेंट, स्टैंडर्डाइजेशन इज देयर. Product development, promotional mix. What is promotional mix? IMC will change. What? For example, regional. If for example you are concentrating, if you are targeting urban market, promotional mix will differ. If you are targeting rural areas, the marketing the promotional mix will differ. हाँ, वहां पर फिर क्या होगा? ट्रेड. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ फॉर एग्जाम्पल हमारे अर्बन एरियाज के अंदर इफ यू आर टारगेटिंग इट, तो क्या हम लोग अडॉप्ट करेंगे? व्हाट प्रोमोशनल स्ट्रेटेजीज वी आर गोइंग टू अडॉप्ट? टेल मी. इंटरनेट, टेलीविजन और होर्डिंग्स, neon sign. Yes, we are focusing in rural areas. तो बोलो क्या होगा फ्रेंड्स? वेरी गुड. वॉल पेंटिंग और डोर टू डोर, ट्रेड, फेस, मेला. समझ रहे हो फ्रेंड्स? वहां पर द थिंग्स विल चेंज टू सम एक्सटेंट. अभी तो रेडियो का सवाल ही नहीं है, अभी तो बहुत आगे, हमसे आगे चले गए वहां लोग रूरल एरिया में. बट देन ऑल्सो सिंस द मार्केट इज स्कैटर्ड, हाँ, तो होर्डिंग टू सम एक्सटेंट इट वर्क, बट नॉट एट एज इट इज वर्किंग इन द अर्बन एरिया. Yes, because in rural areas the market is scattered. It is said that there are approximately 6 lakhs towns and there are 6 lakhs villages are there in the country. When it comes to cities and towns, there are only 6,000 towns and cities are there in the country. So can you imagine the gap between towns and rural areas? Is it okay? So everything will change. For example, यहाँ पर packaging will change. Package will change. Sachet will come into picture. 1 रुपया, 2 रुपया. Slum areas, धारावी. Take an example of 10 रुपए का चाय की पत्ती. It is mandatory for them to manufacture in that packet 10 रुपए का BPL वालों के लिए. It is not restricted. Anyone, and the rich can also buy it. देखो, that is the reason, friend. That is a try to understand. That is the reason 10 रुपए का चाय की पत्ती you will not find in where? In where? Mall. Mall में आपको नहीं मिलेगा. इंटेंशनली आई वास्ट. ठीक है, 10 रुपए की चाय की पत्ती में सेविंग है आपका और दवा के सेविंग है, बाद में कैलकुलेशन कर लेना. यस, 1 किलो आपको 550 में पड़ेगा, 550, 550. और वही 10 का आप करोगे 1 किलो, तो इट विल कॉस्ट यू 400 रुपए का. बल्क में लोगे पूरा 1 किलो तो मिलेगा सब ठीक, 10 रुपए कम दो, 390. Why? Company it is mandatory for them to manufacture in that quantity also for BPL. For example, धारावी, भाई धारावी बहुत बड़े बड़े सेट भी बैठे हैं. धारावी है, और जो भी स्लम्स एरिया है आज भी कभी है ना, 1 रुपए का चाय की पत्ती, 2 रुपए का चाय की पत्ती, मस्का, जैम, अचार, ऑयल, sachet, market opportunity, product development, marketing mix, pricing, distribution, media selection, ये सब हो गया friends. Media selection depending upon the type of customer. For example, media selection, brand ambassador, what type of product you are selling it, depending upon that type of product you will select the brand ambassador. Media mix also depend upon your product or services. Friends, any doubt to anyone? चलेंगे आगे चलेंगे. Definition and benefits. Now basis of market segmentation. Now what is the basis of market segmentation? Basis of market segmentation is all about on what ground or what are the grounds on the basis of which you are dividing the market. You are dividing the market. For example, you are dividing the market on these 5 bases. On the basis of geographic, on the basis of demographic, on the basis of what? Sociographic, psychographic and behavioral segmentation. Now let's talk upon geographic. Till here any doubt to anyone? समझ में आ रहा है सबको? Now what is by geographic segmentation? Now as the name suggests, geographic is all about on the basis of region you will select. For example, international, national, state, चलो take state or regional, local. Are you getting? So on the basis of local, state or region, at the national level or at the international level or at the global level. So the point is, at this junction or at this point, you are dividing the market. You are segmenting the market on the basis of region. Just initially we have started when I have given an example of what? As a country. As a globe. MNCs, big MNCs. ठीक है? MNCs वो होता है और फिर क्या होता है आपका? TNCs, transnational corporations. So these companies, they are dividing it on the basis of continent, on the basis of blocks, on the basis of what is the continent, North America, South America, Europe, Asia, or Australia, Antarctica or Africa. Yes, these are the 7 continents of the world. So these MNCs, first of all, they will keep a holistic view on the market, a global view on the market. ठीक है, अब कॉन्टिनेंट, ठीक है, अब कॉन्टिनेंट से और नीचे आएंगे आप. फॉर एग्जाम्पल ब्लॉक के बारे में आएंगे. ट्रेडिंग ब्लॉक्स आर देयर विच यू हैव ऑलरेडी डन. वहां से स्टार्ट करेंगे तो नाफ्ता इज देयर, देन EU is there, OPEC, SAARC, ASEAN. So these are the trading blocks. So in a nutshell, the company will divide on the basis of geographic segmentation, on the basis of demographic segmentation. Now what do you mean by demographic? Yes. यहाँ तक any doubt to anyone? Demographic segmentation is all about what? Very good. On the basis of age. On the basis of age, gender, income, education. समझ में आ रहा है फ्रेंड्स? These are the background on the basis of which age के basis के ऊपर KG और PG. Yes. On the basis of gender. और बहुत कुछ आ गया है. जेंडर के बेसिस के ऊपर डिवाइडेड. on the basis of income, upper, middle, lower, BPL, ठीक है, on the basis of education, on the basis of what? Education, professionals और प्रोफेशनल्स में आपका डॉक्टर्स आ गया, फिर डॉक्टर्स के अलग प्रोडक्ट्स आ देयर, ठीक है, व्हेन यू आर सेलिंग इट, फॉर एग्जांपल एमआरआई मशीन्स, तो डॉक्टर्स के अंदर भी नाउ दे विल फोकस ऑन हॉस्पिटल्स, institutions, a big level, at the big level. Is it okay? Demographic, purchasing power, how much you are earning it, at your purchasing power, or even or at the country purchasing power, region purchasing power. Yes, which, for example, in our country also itself, you will find different regions are there, and different regions they are having different demographics. Take an example, Kerala is known for what? Kerala is known for what? Education, friends. Yes, everyone? Education, and also for what? Yes, money. Money means what? Muscle power. Yes, money muscle power होता है, whether you like it or not. Why? दो चीजें, एक तो नॉलेज, yes, education, irrespective of what? Religion, irrespective of what? Caste. Which caste, which religion, forget it. Overall knowledge level, education level, and also money. Why money? Because साउथ, स्पेशली इन द साउथ, और स्पेशली ये बेल्ट, और एक बेल्ट और है. अच्छा, आई एम गिविंग अ लिंक ऑफ व्हाट एग्जैक्टली, किसका इशारा दे रहा हूं आपको? दो चीज, वन इज नॉलेज और दूसरा मनी. ऑन व्हाट ग्राउंड? हाँ, क्या बेसिस के ऊपर इनकम ज्यादा है वहां का? ऑन व्हाट बेसिस एम्प्लॉयमेंट इज मोर? Maximum population of there is in the Gulf country. कहाँ है my dear? एक मेरा live experience I share with you. Somewhere in 2016 I went for a pilgrimage for Umrah tour. ठीक है? अच्छा, thank you. जिद्दा एयरपोर्ट के ऊपर हम लोग खड़े थे, बाहर we were waiting for bus. Can you imagine my dear? Can you imagine? Try to understand. Jeddah airport is one of the biggest and largest airport of the world. ठीक है? Can you imagine what type of population is living in Saudi Arabia or Jeddah or Makkah or Medina or another one? What type of Chinese are there? Yes. अच्छा, what language they are preferring? They are speaking in Arabic. Is it okay? तो जिद्दा एयरपोर्ट के जस्ट सामने ह्यूज होर्डिंग, वो कैन यू इमेजिन, जिद्दा एयरपोर्ट के सामने होर्डिंग, उसका कॉस्टिंग, एडवर्टाइजिंग एक्सपेंडिचर बजट, और कौन से लैंग्वेज में था वो? इट वाज नॉट इन अरेबिक, इट वाज नॉट इन उर्दू, इट वाज नॉट इन फारसी, इट वाज नॉट इन इंग्लिश, नॉट इन चाइना, नॉट इन फ्रेंच, इट वाज इन तमिल. Yes, it was in Tamil. लुलू मॉल, सुना है लुलू? Yes, पूरा गल्फ के अंदर. And the owner is a Kerala person only, Mr. Yusuf. Are you understanding, friends? कहां से कहां चले गए हम लोग? लुलू मॉल पे चले गए. अब भाई बहुत बड़ा है यहाँ, ह्यूज वन. अपने कंट्री में शायद 5 जगह लॉन्च किया लोगों ने. डेमोग्राफिक सेगमेंटेशन. श्योर है. नेक्स्ट क्या है इसके पॉइंट? नेक्स्ट सोशियोग्राफिक. ओके, और कल्चरल रेफरेंस ग्रुप. और सोशियोग्राफिक is somewhat related to what? Society. It is somewhat related to the society at large. So in case of sociographic segmentation, here you are segmenting on the basis of society, on the basis of what? Culture, which culture you which you belong to, what type of reference group. Now what is the culture or reference group? Yes everyone, culture also makes a big difference, है ना? जैसे for example you are there, just take an example of our कोंकणी माणूस, कोंकण साइड, गोवा है, सावंतवाड़ी है आपका, रत्नागिरी, वो पूरा पट्टा, you will find different mixed religions of people are staying there and living there for years and years. But a big but is there, but they all are having a common culture background. Are you understanding? Whether it is related to your lifestyle, eating habits, yes, or take, और यहाँ पे शादी बारात होती है, so you will find a common one. महाराष्ट्र के अंदर मराठवाड़ा फॉर एग्जाम्पल, औरंगाबाद और उस्मानाबाद और जितने भी इस तरह के, पुणे फॉर एग्जाम्पल, यस, तो यू विल फाइंड अ डिफरेंसेस ऑफ टेस्ट इज देयर. एकदम तीखा, एकदम मिर्ची वाला, जितना आप कर्नाटक की तरह जाओगे चलता रहेगा फिर वो. सो द पॉइंट इज, जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल टेक एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ दोज कंपनीज हु आर मैन्युफैक्चरिंग स्पाइसेस, those companies which are manufacturing food related product, those companies who are manufacturing, for example, even though in case of clothes, outfits, so Bombay के अंदर you will find western outfits there. उनकी सोच भी अलग है my dear, उनका thought process is also different in general. जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल टेक एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ कस्टम्स की बात करेंगे, बुरखा, घूंघट, यस, तो आज भी आपको मारवाड़ी के यहाँ, राजस्थानी के यहाँ घूंघट का कॉन्सेप्ट विल बी देयर. अपने बॉम्बे के अंदर भी आज भी आप, दे आर नॉट मुस्लिम्स, ठीक है, बुरका इज रेलेवेंट फॉर मुस्लिम्स फॉर एग्जांपल, बट देन ऑल्सो दीज टाइप ऑफ पीपल, देखो कस्टम्स है, फॉर years and years, for traditions, the घूंघट system is prevailing in different religion, in different region, in today's world also, in today era also it is prevailing in different community. So on the basis of culture and on the basis of reference group, you know, normally when you are living, when you are staying it, so you are referring to something, to someone. It can be what you are wearing, your hairstyle, what you are using it, how you are walking, how you are talking. For example, some of them, they must be referring to some or the other celebrities, whether it can be Indian or whether it can be any foreign one. Are you understanding, friends? All these fashion or fashionable products are being imported from which country? Western, and especially from France. It is a hub. So sociographic segmentation, your culture references. Psychographic में बेटा, it is somewhat related to your psychographic brain. क्या है बेटा? Okay, lifestyle और personality, और बस दो ही है, attitudes. चलो एक मिनट और एक मिनट, attitude, और यहाँ पर behavioral में usage और
user status, buying
buying motives. So now in case of psychographic segmentation, it is somewhat related to brain, perception, view, yes, your image towards something, your views towards something. So in case of psychographic, you adopt different lifestyles, to whom you are watching, to whom you are following, है ना, ये तो क्या बोलते हैं, फॉलोअर्स का जमाना है, फॉलोइंग, योर पर्सनैलिटी, to whom you are liking. देखो, that is the reason you should not read anything, or you should not read anyone, you should not follow anyone. Anyone means what? Or everyone. You should be very choosy while selecting the book, while selecting the personality, because knowingly or unknowingly, to whom you are liking, to whom you are following, to whom you are reading, slowly and gradually the person's nature, features, perception will enter into your life and body. I hope you are getting the point or not. The fact, even though a very basic thing, जो भी बुक पढ़ते हैं ना, बुक, वो बुक का जो राइटर रहता है, राइटर, उसके असर, he or she influences your life. This is a fact, my dear. This is the normal thing. So in a nutshell, देखो, that is the reason companies, they make brand ambassador मुझे और आपको नहीं बनाएंगे. They will make whom? Virat Kohli. They will make whom? Salman or Amir. They will make whom? XYZ. Why? Because lakhs and crores of followers are there. They all are following to one or two person. So that is the reason they will adopt these personality, so that our product or services can be easily sold without any hesitation or without any justification. अरे, I hope you understanding or not. वो follow कर रहा है बस. For example, today's world is all about what? वो क्या बोलते हैं, कौन सा जीन्स है? टोन जीन्स. हाँ, वो फटा नहीं, no, it is known as what? Use a technical word, professional word, टोन जीन्स. क्या आपने कभी अपने बाप दादा को टोन जीन्स पहनते हुए देखा था? Are you willing to wear your tone jeans in your marriage? अला कॉलेज में आएगा पहन के. Are you getting the point? So attitude, on the same way behavior segmentation के अंदर, for example, buying motives. Why you are buying it? Are you buying it for security? Are you buying as a habit? Are you buying for romance? What are the reasons? Or are you buying it in order to give a shelter or security from threat? For example, security personal. For example, your insurances. For example, CCTV. All these products will encash this user status, usage, buying motives. Why? For example, medicines, Mediclaim policies, insurance companies, they will focus on this segment. समझ लो friends? So these are the different grounds on the basis of which companies, they are segmenting the product or services. So 5 bases of segmentation: geographic, demographic, sociographic, psychographic and behavior segmentation. Thank you so much for listening. So in a nutshell, A, B and C